You can make money on the internet using your laptop or your cell phone from anywhere in the world. This method is free. You can start today and you can start making money simply by using your mobile phone and if you have a PayPal account. Guys, remember this, you can do from anywhere in the world, so it doesn't matter where you're from. It doesn't matter if you're in a first world or third world country, this works, right? So I'm going to take you guys over to the platform that I'm talking about. Okay, and it's called Pico Workers, right? Okay, so Pico Workers, basically it's a platform that allows you to do small tasks for big companies and they pay you in dollars, right? These tasks would range from taking surveys, writing honest reviews, testing applications, as well as writing articles. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys just a bit more about the platform and then I'm going to log into my account. Okay, so basically about Pico Workers. Pico Workers is an online marketplace that connects freelancers around the world with business owners. Businesses who need other people to help them to support their work come to Pico Workers. Here they can hire workers for easy and quick jobs. Cool. So let's scroll down. Okay, so this is basically how it works. So you select the jobs you like, complete this task, explore the required task, send the required proof, right? Okay. So guys, this is basically just an overview about how Pico Worker works and what it is about, right? Show you guys. Before I log into my account, I just want to show you guys the live update on the workers. Let's go over here. So this is currently what's happening right now. So this is what people are currently earning actively. So as you guys can see, these numbers range. It varies from account or individual to individual. And as you can see, some of these people are making decent amounts of money. Okay, so this is just to show you guys what people are currently earning and how they and how they are withdrawing the funds basically. Or how much they're basically withdrawing. So now I'm going to take you over just to take it into the back end of Pico Workers so that you have a big idea. Okay. Let's see. Just busy logging in. And guys, remember, if you do find value in this video, please do like and subscribe. I will be posting more of these types of videos where I'll be showing you guys how you can make money using these simple strategies. And these would range from affiliate marketing to dropshipping and all kinds of other things. Okay, I'm back. I'm just busy. Need to sign in. Yeah. Gonna refresh the page quickly. I will be leaving you guys links to Pico Workers. A quick disclaimer, I have partnered up with them, so if you do use my link, it will help me to maintain and keep up the channel and allow me to post even more content for you guys. Cool. I've actually withdrawn some money in the past, so my balance is only 50 cents there. So yeah, as you guys can see, this is an example. Download and install. That's basically a Bitcoin or cryptocurrency or Bitcoin app. There it shows YouTube watch and share. So it's basically you watching a YouTube video, sharing it. Over here it is YouTube watch, like and comment. And as as you can see, these amounts vary depending on the type of job that you take, and you can actually earn money very easily because it's easy task. It's not difficult things that you need to do in order to start earning immediately. And yeah, see there, guys. So if you were to, as an example, it's right here. This one is 55 cents. So if you were to do two of those, that would be $1. So let's just see what is expected. So what is expected from workers? Go to this particular link here and follow the instructions step by step. Then go there. You need to insert that particular link there. Download the Duke's Coffee Connect 911 app for Android or iOS. Enter the mobile phone. Yeah, there we go. Click on the bank icon. Okay, guys, as you can see, they give you clear instructions on what to do exactly. That way you know what is required in order for you to succeed and get paid at the end of the day. These tasks vary, guys. As you can see, there's a sign up for free Amazon Audible books. There you can get a free book as well, and you get paid for it. Um, these there's another one there. There's download a file for 50 cents. And guys, you can do this over and over. There, another one. This is in South Africa for the people in my home country, South Africa. There, you can actually download and install a app, and you'll get paid. Guys, you can do this as many times as you'd like, and you can earn money in your spare time. Yeah, this is just another method for you to earn some extra money. Guys, if you found value in what I've shown you guys today, please feel free to like and subscribe, and please do share if you find that this will help other people out there, especially during the time that we're not out. I will be leaving links to the following to the Pico platform, as well as some other links to other methods in which you can start generating money today. Guys, thank you very much for your time, and I do wish you a wonderful day further. Goodbye.